On January 2, at Tokyo's Haneda Airport, there was a collision between a Japan Airlines JAL plane with 379 passengers and a Coast Guard aircraft. Despite the JAL plane catching fire, all the passengers managed to safely evacuate. Unfortunately, 5 out of the 6 crew members on the Coast Guard aircraft lost their lives. This incident really emphasizes how crucial safety and coordination are in the bustling environment of airport runways and airspace. I'm interested in finding information about aircraft accidents caused by collisions between 1969 and 2024, specifically those with a total fatality count exceeding 40. Top 23 incident. On September 11, 2001, United Airlines Flight 93, a Boeing 757, was hijacked as well. However, the passengers on Flight 93 heroically fought back against the hijackers. The plane ultimately crashed into a field in Pennsylvania at 10:03 am, preventing it from reaching its believed intended target, either the U.S. Capitol or the White House. 44 fatalities on the board. Top 22 incident. On June 6, 1971, Hughes Air West Flight 706 collided with a U.S. Marine Corps F-4 Phantom II over California's San Gabriel Mountains. The DC-9, en route from Los Angeles to Salt Lake City, with 49 people, was ascending to 12,000 feet when the F-4, on a training mission, struck it. The severe impact severed the DC-9's tail, causing a crash that killed all aboard and one F-4 pilot. The other F-4 pilot ejected safely. Investigation cited delayed radar data and the F-4's lack of a radar altimeter as factors. This tragic incident, one of the deadliest in U.S. aviation, led to enhanced military-civilian aviation communication and radar tracking protocols. Top 21 incident. This collision occurred on September 9, 1976, near Anapa, Russian SFSR, USSR, involving 2 Aeroflot flights, an Antonov An-24 and a Yakovlev Yak-40, with 64 fatalities. The incident underscores the importance of air traffic coordination and adherence to flight safety standards. Top 20 incident. On March 5, 1973, at La Planche, France, a McDonnell Douglas DC-9 of Iberia and a Convair CV-990-30A5 of Spantax collided, resulting in 68 fatalities. This event signifies the necessity of stringent air traffic control and the continuous improvement of flight safety protocols. Top 19 incident. On July 1, 2002, in Germany, a mid-air collision between Bashkirian Airlines Flight 2937, a Tupolev Tu-154M, and DHL Flight 611, a Boeing 757-23 APF, led to 71 fatalities. This tragic event in aviation history underscores the need for advanced safety measures and protocols, especially in crowded airspaces. Top 18 incident. The collision of 2 Israeli Air Force Sikorsky S-65C-3 Yasor 2000 helicopters occurred on February 4, 1997, at She'ar Yashuv, Israel, resulting in 73 fatalities. This incident highlights the importance of operational coordination and communication in military aviation to prevent such tragedies. Top 17 incident. On August 31, 1986, in Cerritos, California, Aeromexico Flight 498, a McDonnell Douglas DC-932, collided with a private Piper Pennsylvania 28-181 Archer, leading to 82 fatalities. This incident underscores the importance of airspace management and the need for effective communication systems in aviation to prevent such collisions. Top 16 incident. The collision between Iberia Flight 350, a Boeing 727, and Aviaco Flight 134, a McDonnell Douglas DC-9, occurred on December 7, 1983, in Madrid, Spain. This tragic incident resulted in 93 fatalities and underscores the importance of air traffic control, coordination and adherence to runway safety protocols to prevent runway incursions and collisions. Top 15 incident. On May 3, 1985, in Zolochiv, Ukrainian SSR, USSR, Aeroflot Flight 8381, a Tupolev Tu-134 collided with a Soviet Air Force Antonov An-26, leading to 94 fatalities. This incident highlights the critical need for clear communication and coordination between civilian and military aviation, particularly in shared airspace. Top 14 incident. On October 8, 2001, in Milan, Italy, SAS Flight 686, a McDonnell Douglas MD-87, collided with a private Cessna Citation CJ-2 during takeoff, resulting in 118 fatalities. This devastating incident at Linate Airport is a significant event in aviation history, underscoring the importance of airport ground traffic control and adherence to taxiing and runway safety procedures. Top 13 incident. The collision between Aeroflot Flight 831, an Ilyushin Il-14M, and a Soviet Air Force Antonov AN-12BP occurred on June 23, 1969, in Peroslitsky, Yukhnovsky, Russian SFSR, USSR. This tragic incident, resulting in 120 fatalities, highlights the need for enhanced communication and coordination between civilian and military aircraft, especially in shared airspace. Top 12 incident. The tragic collision on October 2, 1990, in Baiyun District, Guangzhou, China, involved three aircraft: Xiamen Air Flight 8301 Boeing 737-247, China Southwest Flight 2402 Boeing 7073 J6B, and a China Southern Boeing 757-21B. The incident resulted in 128 fatalities, and is a significant event in aviation history. It emphasizes the critical need for robust air traffic control systems and proper adherence to emergency procedures during unforeseen circumstances. Top 11 incident. On February 8, 1993, in Shah-e-Qads, Iran, there was a collision between Iran Air Tours Flight 962, a Tupolev Tu-154, and an Iranian Air Force Sukhoi Su-24, resulting in 133 fatalities. This incident emphasizes the importance of maintaining safe separation between military and civilian aircraft, especially in regions with high military activity. Top 10 incident. On September 25, 1978, in San Diego, California, PSA Flight 182, a Boeing 727-214, collided with a private Cessna 172, resulting in 144 fatalities. This accident highlighted the need for improved communication between air traffic control and pilots, as well as the importance of traffic collision avoidance systems in commercial aircraft. Top 9 incident. The mid-air collision between Gol Transportes Aéreos Flight 1907, a Boeing 737-8A, and an Excel Air Embraer Legacy 600 occurred on September 29, 2006, over Peixoto Azevedo, Brazil, resulting in 154 fatalities. This incident underscores the critical importance of adherence to air traffic control instructions and the use of automatic dependent surveillance broadcast ADSB systems for enhancing situational awareness and preventing similar tragedies. Top 8 incident. On December 22, 1992, near Qasr bin Gashir, Tripoli, Libya, a Boeing 727-2L5 operating as Libyan Arab Airlines Flight 1103 collided with a Libyan Air Force Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-23, resulting in 157 fatalities. This catastrophic event highlights the vital importance of ensuring separation between military and civilian aircraft, particularly in regions with heavy military air traffic. Top 7 incident. On July 30, 1971, in Shizukushi, Japan, a Boeing 727-200 operating as All Nippon Airways Flight 58 collided with a Japan Air Self-Defense Force JASDF-F-86 Sabre, resulting in 162 fatalities. This incident is a stark reminder of the critical need for spatial awareness and safety protocols, especially in airspace shared by both civilian and military aircraft. Top 6 incident. The mid-air collision on September 10, 1976, near Vrbovic, SR Croatia, Yugoslavia, involved British Airways Flight 476, a Hawker Siddeley Trident 3B, and Inex Adria Flight 550, a Douglas DC-932, with 176 fatalities. This tragedy highlights the importance of effective air traffic control systems and the implementation of advanced navigational aids to prevent such accidents. Top 5 incident. On August 11, 1979, two Aeroflot flights, both Tupolev Tu-134 AS, collided over Dniprodzerzhinsk, Ukrainian SSR, USSR, resulting in 178 fatalities. This devastating event serves as a significant reminder of the need for rigorous adherence to flight routing and altitude regulations to ensure the safety of air travel. Top 4 incident. At 937 on September 11, 2001, American Airlines Flight 77, a Boeing 757, was hijacked and crashed into the Pentagon. The headquarters of the United States Department of Defense, located in Arlington, Virginia. The impact resulted in extensive damage to the Pentagon, with 64 people on board and 125 on the ground losing their lives. Total 189 fatalities. Top 3 incident. The collision of Saudi Arabian Flight 763, a Boeing 747-168B, and Kazakhstan Airlines Flight 1907, an Ilyushin Il-76TD, on November 12, 1996, near Charkai Dadri, India, resulted in 349 fatalities. This incident is one of the deadliest in aviation history, and underscored the necessity for precise communication and coordination between air traffic control and aircraft, leading to significant improvements in global aviation safety standards and practices. Top 2 incident. The collision between Pan Am Flight 1736 and KLM Flight 4805, both Boeing 747s, occurred on March 27, 1977, at Tenerife, Spain, resulting in 583 fatalities. This catastrophic accident is the deadliest in aviation history. The tragedy led to widespread changes in international aviation safety standards, including improvements in communication protocols and the implementation of the Standard International Phraseology in air traffic control. Top 1 incident. On September 11, 2001, at 8:46 a.m. American Airlines Flight 11, a Boeing 767, was hijacked by terrorists. It crashed into the North Tower of the World Trade Center in New York City. The impact and subsequent fires caused the North Tower to collapse, resulting in a devastating loss of life. 1,996 fatalities. Thanks for watching this video.